Are you dealing with pain here or here? Well, in this video, we're going to cover a case presentation of someone that we actually saw with this pain that started about 3 days ago. This is Don, and I'm Sebastian. We're the locally world famous chiropractors in Costa Mesa, California.
Locally world famous.
Great. We're just going to go over a little bit about what was bothering him, and then the one thing that we did and the one suggestion made that actually made things completely better in one day. We saw him yesterday. I don't know how it is today, but keep in mind that the suggestion that we're making on this video is not the end all be all. It is just step one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So Don, why don't you go ahead and stand for me? We'll show you the things that bothered him, and we'll step back a little bit. All right. So feet together, bend forward, touch your toes. Ow. Bend backwards. That feels better. That feels better. Good. Turn to the side again.
Oh.
Lift up your right leg. Ow. And so he could barely lift his leg off the ground at all. It was painful to get into a car. It was more painful on the right side of his hip, or on the right side of his low back. He had no leg pain whatsoever. And go ahead and take a seat right here. This would probably nearly kill him. Okay, he said it was the most painful thing he's ever experienced, and he is about 50 years old or so. He drives around and sits at a desk more at a living or for a living. But recently, it's been so hot where we live that actually he has not been able to go out and walk because nobody's really been outside too much. And so all we did was go ahead and go down into your belly, and we're going to lay on your elbows, face parallel to the camera.
What?
You're good right there.
Okay.
Go on your elbows and just rest right here. So after walking in and having so much pain that he did, this position already took all of his pain away, just being in the position. So we stayed in the position for about a minute, and then we started to do cobras. Don's familiar with the cobras. We do this with a lot of people that we see with back pain. Go ahead and up and down a couple times. We did about 10 of them, and then I supplied some overpressure. The overpressure didn't hurt him at all. By the way, it's important to note that if this does bother you, if you chose to do it while watching this video, what would they do, Don? What's the thing?
Honestly, reach out to us because this isn't probably not the right one for you. And there's a lot of other things that we can try to help reduce your low back discomfort.
Yeah, we've given a lot of people things over the years, and like this one is one that we do give a lot of people, but at the same time, we've had people that this has actually made them feel much, much worse. And so we did about 30 of them. Go ahead and stand again. Can you lift your leg? He said, wow, it's all gone. And that was basically it. That's all we did. But that's not the end all be all. There's more that needs to be done. More importantly, though, people don't get this way on accident. Usually there's things that progress into the problem, although he felt it on a day. I believe it's because he stopped being physically active. And he asked, he's like, how do I prevent this from coming back? I said, dude, just be physically active. He's like, I am, except for the past couple weeks I haven't. Well, a change of activity, it sometimes changes things. So if you aren't being physically active, at least getting out and moving and using your body, then you might be more susceptible to this type of thing. But
if this sounds like you guys, honestly, reach out, or there's something that's going to pop up on the video, click on it. That's going to be a free resource for you to take advantage of. If you're ready to just get started to see if that exercise is right for you or something different, then click on the link below, call or email us. We'd be happy to guide you in the right direction.
Yep, subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up. We'll see you guys soon.